guys, welcome back to Ranjani Anil Vlogs. Hope you guys are doing good. So by 31st Ramzan is going to come to an end and it's not too late. We are going to explore some Ramzan food festival happening at Kamanahalli today. This time we are not going to Fraser Town nor Kormangla. This time we want to explore food festival happening at Kamanahalli. Come, let's go and see what's happening there. This time we actually thought of going to Kormangla to explore Ramzan special food. As we all know, in Kormangla it is happening in a wide range. We also saw many videos related to that, but most of them are commenting very poor hygiene and high pricing for food. So we changed our plan and now we are going to Kamanahalli. So let's see what is seen here. We have already reached here. Come, let's go and explore. This is a place where the stalls are set up in Kamanahalli. It is a very small space with few stalls inside it located next to India Sweet House. Until when this food festival is held?
Till Ramzan, Sunday.
Till Sunday. Okay, so Sunday is the last. When did it start?
It's been a month.
Month, okay.
Yes. And from Friday, Saturday, Sunday we have Mehndi Mela.
Oh, okay. We started with a chicken sheikh kebab. It was pretty good. After having that, we just got in and saw nothing much was happening there and nothing was there to taste. So we had a raw mango kulki, which we personally loved it a lot. We have decided to try it in our house also. There's nothing much here, guys. So this is happening next to India Sweet House. There are very few people who are participating in this flea market. It's a very small space. So we had one chicken sheikh kebab and one mango kulki. Mango kulki was superb. It's a must try, I'll tell. And that is happening in every other places also. Mango kulki is available in all the other food festival also, as we see in different videos. So now we are planning to go to Fraser Town. Come, let's go and see there because we are really hungry. We did not get here anything much. It was not too hygienic also. We also did not feel it was hygienic. So we are going to Fraser Town. Let's see what happens there. In starting, as you know, we had decided not to go to Fraser Town and just explore Kamanahalli. Unfortunately, nothing much was happening there. So we decided to come to Fraser Town itself. We have actually reached Fraser Town, guys. Actually, Kamanahalli, we were a little bit disappointed because it was not a welcoming vibe. It was almost like closing time. So we landed here in Fraser Town. Here the vibe is only like welcoming and there are still active food stalls happening here. Come, let's go and explore. I'm really hungry. We first began our tasting with Nalli Nihari at Karama restaurant. This gravy may not suit everyone's taste buds. I felt it was like thickened mutton paya, that is soup, and it was not spicy also. It was pretty good. That's it. Then we took a parcel of mahalabya from there and went for a walk around to look at the stalls. There are many options for you here. You can choose where to taste. After a walk, we went to Shish Kebab and ordered beef sheikh. The sheikh kebab here tasted really good. This time we actually missed Patthar Gosht because it was already over. Then we again came back to Karama to drink our favorite Malabar cocktail. It was so good and refreshing. If any one of you have not yet tried, please try it once. Time was already 1:30, so we returned to our house. I hope it will be a useful video to all who wants to visit here because though we did not try much, we have tried to update you the current status of the food festival at Kamanahalli and Frasertown. One sad thing is road work is happening during such a big event. I feel that's a disadvantage because people who come here face a lot of traffic and parking issues. So be prepared for this before coming here. So finally we are back home after exploring the food festival, guys. It was actually a mixture of experiences because first we went to Kamanahalli watching some videos of that, and it was totally different from what we expected. It was a very small place where a few stalls were set up near India Sweet House, and we did not explore there much. We only tried mango kulki and one chicken sheikh kebab, where mango kulki was very nice and chicken sheikh kebab was okay. Then there was nothing much to explore, so we decided to go to Frasertown, which is nearby, and there it was like almost a festive vibe because this season in Frasertown they have given permission to only restaurant people to set up the stalls. So it was like there are places which have hygienic food as well as there are places which have unhygienic food also. So it is up to you where you want to have. So one more thing, this is mahalabya. It's a sweet dish. I came to know about this dish while watching Celebrity MasterChef, so I'm excited to taste this. Let's taste. It's like a pudding, I think. It has a rose flavor in it. Superb. It feels like I'm tasting the Serradura which we tasted in Goa. Actually, if you have not watched that video, you can go and watch that. I'll put the link in the I button. So finally we are ending this vlog here. It's going to be 3 a.m. and we are shooting this sign off. Hope you guys enjoy our small Ramzan food festival vlog, and there are very few days left for you also to go and try the Ramzan food festival happening at Frasertown. If you like our videos, please do support us by like, share and subscribing to our channel Dhanjani Anil Vlogs. Until we meet in the next video, bye.